I'm looking at the 10-year Treasury right now, and why I'm looking there is, that's been a huge influence for the markets. And let's just take a look. Okay, the start of July, we were at about 4.5%. Now, all of a sudden, a couple of weeks later, we look at it and we've been steadily underneath that level, and now we're trading somewhere just north of 4.2. So I like what we're seeing there. I certainly think that's a huge influence for the markets. And as we've watched that kind of steady kind of push to the downside, we're seeing a market that's had some really great days. Yes, there have been pullbacks, but some really great days.
And that really leads into my fantastic future. And I'm not going complex here. We're actually talking about the ES, which is really just the SPX future, because I think that there's this huge misconception that has brews every time there's any amount of pullback. All these bears start coming out of the woodwork. You got Harvey, Dent, and all of those types of people, as well as Mike Wilson from Morgan Stanley, Marco Kolanovic, people who have been underwater forever, coming out and saying, now, this time, here's the top. It's the top this time. I know I've been saying that for a long time, but this 3-day downtrend, this is the top. And when you zoom out, you see that we're in a weekly uptrend. We're in a monthly uptrend. We're in a daily uptrend. Personally, I think that this is an opportunity for everybody who's been looking at this rally since November and saying, oh, it's clearly going up. It's so good, but I don't want to buy the top. It's rallying so much. I don't want to buy it up here. It's overbought. Well, now we're coming down a little bit. So here's your test. Your metal is being put to the test. Will you buy dip, or will you fall victim to these bearish inclinations yet again?